Hello everyone, what if I told you that one small, often overlooked accessory could save you hundreds of dollars and a ton of heartache? I'm talking about the perfect case for your new iPhone 17 Pro Max. We've put 10 of the best cases to the test in the Ultimate iPhone 17 Pro Max Cases Awards to find out which one takes the top spot. All the links are in the description so you can check them out. TORRAS upgraded 360 rotatable magnetic stand. The TORRAS upgraded case is a masterclass in combining practicality and protection. Its standout feature is the 360-degree rotating magnetic stand, which lets you prop up your phone in any orientation you want, making it perfect for video calls or watching shows. This case also provides military-grade drop protection in a surprisingly slim profile. Compared to a competitor like the Spigen Slim Armor, the TORRAS offers a more versatile kickstand and stronger MagSafe compatibility, giving it a clear advantage for anyone who values both function and form. What makes it even more impressive is how flat the stand lies when you don't need it, keeping the case pocket-friendly while still adding genuine utility. It's not the lightest or thinnest case, but if you want versatility without compromising protection, TORRAS has set the bar high. Pitaka Ultra Slime Case. For the minimalists out there, the Pitaka case is a game changer. Made from aerospace-grade aramid fiber, it's incredibly thin and lightweight, giving you a true caseless feel while still protecting against daily scratches and scuffs. The unique woven texture also gives you a great grip, and it feels almost luxurious compared to cheaper, slim cases. While it won't survive a huge drop like an OtterBox, its superior MagSafe strength and sleek design offer a premium experience that a basic slim case like the Spigen ThinFit just can't match. Pitaka also integrates its PitaFlow ecosystem, letting you swap seamlessly between MagSafe accessories without alignment issues. Over time, this case maintains its elegance without yellowing, stretching, or losing grip, which makes it an investment in both protection and style. If your goal is to keep your iPhone looking pristine while enjoying premium usability, Pitaka is in a league of its own. CASEKOO Crystal Clear Case. If you want to show off your phone's design, the CASEKOO is your go-to. This crystal clear case boasts 3x anti-yellow technology, so it won't turn that gross brownish yellow color over time. It's also shockingly protective, with a 15-foot military-grade drop rating. It's much more durable and reliable in the long run than many other clear cases, providing a great balance of aesthetic appeal and security without any frills. What really stands out is how slim it feels for the level of protection you're getting. Compared to basic budget clear cases, CASEKOO resists scratches, handles drops with ease, and gives you that fresh out-of-the-box shine for months longer. If clarity and everyday protection are your priorities, this one checks every box. Spigen Liquid Air. The Spigen Liquid Air is the king of no-nonsense, everyday protection. Its key selling point is the unique geometric texture, which not only looks cool, but also gives you an incredibly secure non-slip grip. It's super slim, lightweight, and offers solid military-grade protection without a hefty price tag. While it doesn't have a kickstand like the TORRAS case, it's a fantastic, affordable option for anyone who wants a simple, effective, and stylish case. The slim profile makes it ideal for slipping in and out of pockets, while the matte finish resists fingerprints. It's not flashy or feature-packed, but it nails the basics so well that it's hard not to recommend for anyone on a budget. BENKS Prestige ArmorPro. The BENKS Prestige ArmorPro feels and looks like a case for a secret agent. It's crafted from genuine DuPont Kevlar 1000D aramid fiber, a material used in military gear, giving it an elegant, high-tech look and exceptional scratch resistance. It offers full-body protection and feels great in your hand. Unlike thinner aramid cases, this one doesn't just focus on appearance, it also brings real toughness to the table. The ArmorPro is slim but incredibly solid, handling drops and scratches with ease while still maintaining that premium, stealthy vibe. If you're someone who wants their case to feel as exclusive as their phone, BENKS delivers that high-end touch better than almost any competitor. Your band Armor Gear UAG Monarch Pro. This is the one for people who are tough on their phones. The UAG Monarch Pro is a 5-layered fortress that provides an insane 25-foot military-grade drop rating with a bold, rugged design. It's big, it's bold, and it's unapologetically tough. While it's more expensive and bulkier than the BENKS case, its uncompromising tank-like protection makes it the ideal choice for adventurers or anyone working in demanding environments. Oversized tactile buttons and reinforced edges ensure your phone feels ready for anything, while its distinctive design screams rugged confidence. If you want a case that looks like armor and acts like armor, UAG won't disappoint. SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro. The SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro is a complete protection package. It's a full-body case with a built-in screen protector, kickstand, and a belt clip holster. This case is all about functionality and comprehensive defense. Unlike the UAG Monarch Pro, which focuses on premium rugged design, the SUPCASE is a workhorse that gives you every protective feature you could ask for at a much more affordable price. Yes, it adds a lot of bulk, but that bulk translates into all-around confidence. For people who demand maximum protection and utility without paying premium, Bramble prices, the Unicorn Beetle Pro is a solid contender. ESR Stash Stand Case. The ESR Stash Stand Case is a perfect blend of a clear case and a functional kickstand. The hidden stash stand is integrated seamlessly around the camera module and gives you convenient hands-free viewing without adding any bulk. It also has strong magnets for MagSafe and provides a solid 15-foot military-grade drop protection. Compared to the bulkier SUPCASE, the ESR is a much sleeker option for everyday use, giving you the best of both worlds. The kickstand feels sturdy but doesn't interrupt the clean lines of the case, making it a strong choice if you want utility with subtlety. Pelican Shield. The Pelican Shield is a titan of protection. With an incredible 24-foot military-grade drop rating, this case is built to survive almost anything. It also comes with a convenient belt clip holster, a feature you don't see on many premium cases. While it's certainly big and heavy, its uncompromising durability makes it an unbeatable choice for people in rugged professions. Pelican has decades of experience in protective gear, and it shows in every detail of this case. If safety is your absolute priority and you don't care about bulk, the shield is practically indestructible. Smartish Gripmunk. The Smartish Gripmunk is the ultimate case for the average user. It's lightweight, protective, and has a unique grippy not sticky texture with built-in finger grooves that make it super comfortable to hold. It provides a reliable 6-foot drop rating, which is more than enough for most daily accidents. It's a fantastic, budget-friendly option that delivers on its promises of great grip and solid protection without any unnecessary frills. Compared to flashy or rugged competitors, Smartish focuses on practicality and comfort, making it the case you'll actually enjoy using day to day. Winner announcement. So, after putting all of these amazing cases to the test, which one earns the top spot? Drum roll, please. The winner of our 10 iPhone 17 Pro Max Cases Awards is the Pitaka Ultra Slide Case. While other cases like TORRAS or UAG bring bulkier protection or extra features, Pitaka wins because it redefines what a premium case should be. It gives you that near caseless feel. Aerospace-grade aramid fiber durability, flawless MagSafe performance, and a timeless design that doesn't wear down with age. It's the rare case that enhances the iPhone instead of hiding it, making it the ultimate blend of protection, elegance, and everyday usability. What do you think? Do you agree with our pick, or would you crown another champion? Let us know your top case in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech content. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.